Typhoid Mary, an example of disease resistance in nature, written by Surajit Dutta, BSc Honors in Zoology, University of Calcutta, ex-student of MSc Zoology, Vidyasagar University. A newly discovered disease is always a concern for doctors and physicians, because the treatment and disease-causing agents have not been discovered yet. Healthy carriers with mild or no symptoms can spread the disease in the population rapidly. Such disease-resistant individuals are present in the population, waiting to be selected for a new disease. During the coronavirus pandemic, such disease-resistant individuals were a threat to the normal population. Disease resistance that we observe is a normal variant created by nature, shaped by natural selection. When we discuss disease resistance, the most important example is the case of Mary Mallon, also known as Typhoid Mary. Mary Mallon, an Irish cook, was responsible for a typhoid outbreak and a number of deaths due to typhoid. She was a healthy carrier of typhoid bacteria, showing disease resistance with mild symptoms. George A. Soper reported his findings that Mary Mallon was indeed a healthy carrier of typhoid bacteria by observing her previous employment records. In every house where she worked as a cook, one or more people were infected with typhoid. Another piece of evidence was that stool samples from Mary contained typhoid bacteria. She was confined in a quarantine facility until her death in 1938, as there was no antibiotic cure for typhoid available at the time. For a total of 26 years, she was confined in a quarantine facility without committing any crime. At that time, science was not as advanced as what we observe right now. Moral issues arise as to why someone should be confined for such a long time to save others from typhoid. Hygiene practices that we see today were not common at that time. Using proper gloves and using soap to wash hands before handling food may have stopped the spread of the disease.